In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a Vinted account. Whether you are done selling or maybe switching platforms or just taking a break, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then I want you to go to your profile, which can be found on the top right corner. I want you to click the settings. Now, under the settings, I want you to click the account settings right here. And then scroll down until you find the delete my account button. There is an arrow wherein if you click on it, you will be asked if you wanted to confirm that your orders are completed. Okay? So if you wanted to tell the reason why you wanted to delete your account, you can do so. But it's optional. Okay? Once you are happy, okay, click the delete account. It's super simple. However, before you delete, you must complete or cancel any active orders, withdraw any remaining balance, because account deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. And once you are super sure about it, just click the delete account button here. And basically that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.